I'm gonna go shoot off fireworks right now, so I just put some stuff together. This is just like random fireworks that was in my stash, just grabbed them. So these are the
Just HD artillery shells.
These are the Just HD artillery shells, just hit the market. Not really. And they're silver tops. They were a gift from Sin City. Alright, so we got Cancer in the Rain and Easy Does It. They're both by Outlaw. These were a gift from Jacoby. Then Raging Rottweilers. This is a kick that I really wanted to try out. If you guys seen my last videos, I talked about getting this one. Just because of the fact it says that it has spinning and buzzing to crackle. And I was just wanted to know what spinning and buzzing was. Is it a B effect, or I wanted to figure that out. That's 16 shots and that's by Phantom. And this crazy bomber right here, 16 shots by Phantom. 16 shots by Alien. This one has whistles and crackles. And yeah, I like whistling, so that. Obviously, gonna take this out. I'm taking my nephews with me. And they haven't tried the Warrior Sword, so I'm trying to tell as much people as I can to try this Warrior Sword.
We've literally had some for them for like, going on a year now.
Probably.
Poor things.
And then the Normandy landing craft, we got it. I think this one moves.
Are you gonna put it on the ocean?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the ocean.
Oh, that's cool.
For real?
No, for real.
Yeah.
So it could go off?
Yeah. Spinning fireflies. I couldn't find any ground blooms anywhere this year, so I think that these are ground blooms, but they might go up in the air. But either way, we're gonna try these out. They're by Firehawk. Death Disco. These are XL Roman candles, and they're by Red Apple Fireworks. This is a Doom brand, and I personally think that Red Apple makes some of the best XL Roman candles. So we're gonna try this bad boy out. We have some nuclear snaps. We got this. This is a Raccoon brand, and this one I got it from Blackjack Fireworks. So they sell these. They come in a weird package. Like, I don't really recommend getting these. You see, I already tried half of them because these things can snap.
So when you're opening them, if you poke it?
Yeah, like, you know, they're kind of like, it's kind of hard to take them out. Like,
yeah.
So I would honestly, I wouldn't recommend getting them. But here I go. Gotta pop off the rest of them. All right, and then we got Plane Flying at Night. This is just a 12-piece. I think it's a no brand. Yeah, it doesn't have a brand, but it's just fire. There's just a little.
So who makes money if it's no brand?
China.
Oh, I see.
And then we got these 3 rockets. This is a Colorful Night Rocket, Butterfly Rocket, Bee Rocket, and I got them from the assortment from the rocket pack from Outlaw. These rockets are going to be used to finish a rocket launch pad video from Redbeard's Fireworks Showcase. Alright guys, so that's it. I'm going to just bag this up. We're going to take it to the beach and pop it off. I'll see you guys later.
So we're just lighting random fireworks here.
Yeah, so
And it's a Warrior Sword.
yeah, and these are the other fireworks we have. Jake, if you want to show them down here. So we have all these to light up, guys. We're going to have fun with this. Alright, you ready, buddy? Back up with it, bro. Back up. Go forward. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, boy. I'm going to run under it. Hey, it's getting stronger. Oh, shoot. Oh. Yeah. Those things are tight. Alright, we got this firefly, or what is it? Spinning firefly. So I think this goes up in the air, but I don't know. Hey, let's try to get this in the water. That's a Normandy landing craft. Come on, follow me, guys.
water.
No, there was one more.
I'm joking. What is that?
Oh, wait. You're recording, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh! Yeah, I don't know how well this worked in the water, guys, but it looks like it did the rest of it. So, yeah, Normandy landing craft. Alright, guys, we got some small bees right here. Oh! I'm gonna try to get it so like I can launch it in the air. Alright. Oh, that was pretty cool. Alright, let's try this puppy out. It's a Death Disco. Good time. These right here are just nuclear snaps. And they're just like little bang snaps. We got to be really careful with these because they're a little hard to get out, but things loud, huh?
Yeah.
You guys want to try one?
No, I'm good.
What? This guy-
Cameraman does.
All right, cameraman, here you go. Got a Raging Rottweiler, and this is by Phantom. So look, this is the effect on it. So red tail to red stars and white glitter, green tail to blue stars and white glitter, spinning and buzzing to crackle, red tail to red and blue stars and chrysanthemums. Let's see. That one's nice, guys. I like that one. That one's really nice. I like that that effect on it. Let's try this Crazy Bomber, 200 grams. This is by Alien. Performance is 16's red and blue stars, then whistles and crackles. Final 4 shots at one time. Let's try that out. I didn't hear any whistle. I didn't hear no whistle. Did you guys hear a whistle?
No.
Yeah, there was no whistle on that cake. False advertising, guys. We got it because of the whistles. This one, I don't think it has a performance on it. Can't stand the rain. Yeah, no performance on it, but we're about to light off right now. That's probably the best one right so far, right, guys?
Yeah.
Alright, this next one is Easy Does It. I think it's the same thing. It doesn't have a performance on it. Not that I see. Yeah, so this is another 25 shot by Outlaw. That Can't Stand the Rain so far has been the best one, right, guys?
Yeah.
by far the best one was Can't Stand the Rain.
Yeah.
The thing we got is this the silver top, so we're gonna light this one off. That's loud. So I think we touched on everything that was in here. We're just gonna do one more Death Disco. So these ones were pretty nice, guys. Oh. Wow, this one's different than the last one. So this one, the color's really bright, but it has no like effect on it. The first one was whistling. Yeah, no. It's like a regular Roman candle. Yeah, that was basically everything in our little pack, guys. All we have left is a couple of bees and some nuclear snaps. Let's see if we can get the last one. Oh yeah, that was a good one too. Alright guys, so that's basically it. All we got left is these nuclear snaps. And we'll throw one more of these ones out. Like, this like glow effect on it. Oh yeah. And then up top. Yeah, see, those are nice. That color on there. All right, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys next time.